हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग एक ऐसी कंपनी के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे विच हैज़ रिवाइज्ड इट्स गाइडेंस फ्रॉम पास्ट 3 क्वार्टर्स कंटिन्यूसली। और वो भी अपवर्ड ट्रेजेक्टरी में उन्होंने अपने गाइडेंस को रिवाइज़ किया है एवरी क्वार्टर आफ्टर सीइंग द डिमांड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट एंड द फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट्स एज वेल। सो अगर हम लोग जो कंपनी का हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं, द नेम इज़ पीजी इलेक्ट्रोप्लास्ट। सो पीजी इलेक्ट्रोप्लास्ट अगेन इट्स इट्स इन द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग ऑफ रूम एयर कंडीशनर्स and even specializes in ODM, OEM and plastic molding as well. So it's a कंपनी सिर्फ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का काम नहीं करती। कंपनी एक ODM है, जो ओरिजिनल विच मीन्स ओरिजिनल डिज़ाइन मैन्युफैक्चरर, वेयर द कंपनी डज एंड टू एंड बिजनेस फॉर ए कस्टमर, जहाँ वेयर दे स्टार्ट फ्रॉम डिज़ाइनिंग पार्ट after then getting approval from the customer regarding the designs and the engineering equipments, and after that manufacturing a product. So it's a complete end to end process and they stick with their customers. सो अगर हम लोग कंपनी के बिजनेस सेगमेंट्स को देखें तो कंपनी हैज़ 4 बिजनेस सेगमेंट्स। वन इज़ द प्रोडक्ट बिजनेस, जहाँ पे वो मैन्युफैक्चर करती है RACs, रूम एयर कंडीशनर्स, of indoor unit, outdoor unit and window unit as well. They manufacture washing machines, and the third is the air coolers. And ये product business जो है which covers the maximum top line of PG Electroplast. It contributes around 68 to 70% of the top line of the top line in PG Electroplast. सेकंड उनका सेगमेंट है प्लास्टिक मोल्डिंग का, जहाँ पे वो मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं प्लास्टिक मोल्डिंग कंपोनेंट्स जो ऑटोमोबाइल्स, सैनिटरी वेयर एंड कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल्स में यूज़ होते हैं। एंड ये सेगमेंट कंट्रीब्यूट करता है अराउंड 20 to 25% ऑफ द टॉप लाइन। एंड थर्ड सेगमेंट विच दे हैव इज़ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सेगमेंट, जहाँ पे वो मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं टेलीविजन्स एंड printed circuit board as well, and they assemble PCBs as well. And this segment contributes around 5 to 7% of the top line. And the fourth segment which they have is the tool manufacturing segment, which is very small segment, and their contribution is also insignificant. It's around 0.5 to 1% in the revenue. So अगर उनका client base देखें तो they manufacture ACs for clients like Blue Star, Daikin, Carrier, Havells as well, and they have onboarded a washing machine brand like Whirlpool as well, and in their for washing machine, for refrigeration as well. And regarding the PCB assemblies, they have clients like Lava and Realme as well. So yeah, they have a very good client base and very pristine client base as well. सो अगर हम लोग एक और चीज़ देखें पीजी इलेक्ट्रोप्लास्ट का, सो दे हैव उन्होंने अपना बिजनेस शिफ्ट कर दिया था टीवी बिजनेस, खास करके विद इन ए जीवी विद गुड वर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स। वो भी 50-50 रेशियो में उन्होंने शिफ्ट किया था। सो मूविंग ऑन, हम लोग उनका Q3FY25 का रिजल्ट्स देखें तो उनका टॉप लाइन ग्रो हुआ है 82% से, which is around 968 crores in this quarter. And if we compare it with this quarter last year, it was around 532 crores. So there has been a great jump in the top line as well. And I guess when we discuss Amba Enterprise also, they had a top line growth of 65%, and PG Electroplast is around 82% as well. So right now PG Electroplast is growing at a faster pace in this electro manufacturing space as well. अगर हम उनका एबिटा देखें तो एबिटा हैज़ बिन एक्सपेंडेड वेरी वेल। उनका एबिटा एक्सपेंड हुआ है 9.5% तक, एंड फ्रॉम जो पहले 8.8% था। एंड EBITDA also grew around 96% on YY basis. So margins have expanded from 9.5 to 8.8%, from 8.8 to 9.5% in this quarter, जिसकी वजह से कंपनी को एक ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज भी मिला है, जहाँ पे उनका पैट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डबल, इज़ अराउंड 110% ग्रोथ इन दिस क्वार्टर, which is grew from 19 crore in this quarter last year, जो अभी है 40 crore in this quarter. So PAT is also growing at a faster pace. Top line is also growing. EBITDA margins are expanding. So company has been growing at a very faster pace. And also I would say that it's the good results and bullish commentary from in every quarter from the management sides, which shows the confidence, and that which shows the confidence of the management and the demand as well for the products. एंड ऑल्सो हम लोग 9 मंथ्स का डेटा भी देखें, इन पास्ट 9 मंथ्स कंपनी ने कैसा काम किया है, तो अगर टॉप लाइन देखते हैं तो वो 77% से ग्रो हुई है। पैट भी अगर देखेंगे हम लोग तो 120% से ग्रो हुआ है। सो फ्रॉम नॉट जस्ट इन दिस क्वार्टर बट कंपनी हैज़ बीन ग्रोइंग फ्रॉम पास्ट ऑल 3 क्वार्टर्स एज वेल। अगर अभी उनका हम लोग सेगमेंट वाइज भी देखें तो सेगमेंट वाइज ऑल्सो पी जी इज़ परफॉर्मिंग रियली वेल। अगर उनका RAC सेगमेंट देखें तो इज़ ग्रोइंग एट 154% ग्रोथ. वॉशिंग मशीन का सेगमेंट देखें इज़ ग्रोइंग एट 49% ग्रोथ. एंड इवन द कूलर्स, एयर कूलर्स जो है उनके, वो भी इस क्वार्टर में सर्ज हुआ अराउंड 127%. सो देयर इज़ डिमांड for PG Electroplast products in the market, and they are performing really well. Uh, in the management con call as well, the company management was very much positive, and they were getting positive response from its clients as well for their washing machines and RAC products. And they are also seeing very huge demand coming up in the forthcoming summer season as well. And also management, my company is also seeing lots of new opportunities are coming, not just from their new clients which they are adding up, but from their existing clients as well, which is a very good sign for the company. And as I said in the starting of the video, company has been continuously revising its guidance from past 3 quarters. So if you look at the guidance if you look at the guidance from the management also, in Q1, company guided for a top line growth, PGL top line growth of 3600 crores, and from its JV 600 crores, which altogether comes to around 4250 crores. And they guided for around 54% of the top line growth, constant top line growth. But in Q2, now in Q2 they revised this guidance, where they have said that from PGL they will be growing at a top line of 4250 crores, and from the JV it will be sticking to around 600 crores. So total consolidated revenue will be around 4850 crores, and there will be a growth of around 76% on YOY basis. And they also gave a PAT guidance as well in Q2. PAT guidance they gave was around 250 crores in FY25, which will be around 82% growth from FY24 numbers. So अगर हम लोग देखेंगे that in Q1 they gave a guidance, they gave a revenue growth of around say 54%, and they also gave a PAT growth of around 60%. But in Q2 they revised its guidance. In Q2 they gave a top line growth of around 4850 crores, which is coming to around 76% growth. And when it comes to PAT, they gave an amount of 250 crores, which is again a growth of 82%. So they have given us very bullish guidelines from past 2 quarters, and now in Q3 they have revised this guidance again. So in Q3 they have given a revenue guidance of around 4550 crores, and from JV they have given 550 crores. So overall the total revenue which company is expecting to do is around 5100 crores in Q4, overall on consolidated level, and which will be a growth of 86%. So now if we just talk about Q3 guidance, company अगर मैं summarize करूँ तो revenue growth will be around 5100 crores at a consolidated level for FY25, and there will be a growth of around 86%. And they have upgraded their PAT guidance as well in this quarter. Again they have doubled the PAT guidance from 82% in Q2, which they had guided. Now they are guiding for around 104% growth, which will be around 280 crores. So if you so this only gives an indication the demand for the products, the tailwinds this sector is experiencing right now, and the management having confidence and the bullishness regarding this sector. So yeah, so even when it comes to segment wise, company has guided for around 98% growth in their product business, which will be around 3300 crore in FY25. The total amount will be 3300 crore in FY25, and if we compare it from FY24, it was around 1668 crore. So in the product segment as well, company is giving almost a 100% growth guidance in this quarter as well. So अगर हम लोग केपेक्स देखें कंपनी का, सो फॉर FY25 कंपनी हैज़ गिवन अ केपेक्स ऑफ अराउंड कंपनी का केपेक्स ऑफ अराउंड 370 to 380 करोड़ का केपेक्स कंपनी करेगी, which will be for which they will be doing the capex. First will be for the भिवंडी प्लांट, जहाँ पे वो ACs मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहे हैं, जो ऑलरेडी कमीशन हो चुका है, and they will be and right now trial production is going on, and they are also waiting for BIS certification. Second is they are opening a new facility in Greater Noida, जहाँ पे वो लोग this facility will be for washing machine. Their production is going to start in Q1 FY26. They are also doing one expansion for which the production is also started, is a super plant expansion, and basically प्रोडक्शन इज ऑलरेडी हैज़ बिन स्टार्टेड एंड कंपनी ने और एक बोला कि दोनों फैसिलिटीज़ मिला के ए सीज़ की दे विल बी डूइंग अराउंड 3 दे आर डूइंग एक्चुअली 3.5 lakh ए सीज़ इन per month they will be manufacturing. So yeah, so this was the company's capex. अगर हम लोग उनका इन्वेंटरीज भी देखें इन दिस क्वार्टर कम इन्वेंटरी लेवल्स हैज़ बीन इंक्रीज विच इज़ ऑफ अराउंड 1025 crores एंड मैनेजमेंट ने बोला they are increasing the inventories as well due to the demand due to demand in the forthcoming summer season as well. So that's why they are preparing themselves from now onwards for when it comes to the inventory levels. And company has also done a QIP recently of around 1500 crore. This QIP is mainly for the capex part, for the infrastructure, and for the capex infrastructure and to strengthen the working capital as well. During this con call, management ने बोला कि as margins has been reducing or decline, gross margin has been declining because of the product mix, as well as we all know in the EC business the margins are very low as compared to non-AC segment. So due to which company has said that gross margin is declining as the EC business contributes more and they have it's a low margin product. Even in this quarter, regarding the JV which the company has in this quarter, they have done a revenue in the first 9 months, I would say they have done a revenue of 436 crores, जहाँ पे profitability is much a bit low and the company is in loss for when it comes to JV because of the high interest and depreciation cost. But the management is very much confident of being a profitable in the coming financial year, and that too with a PAT margin of around 1 or 2%. So and company also said the con call management ने बोला कि they would be receiving around 30 crore from the government as PLI scheme, which they will be recognizing Q4. So due to which there might be some bump can be seen in the margins as well when it comes to Q4. And if we also look at major contributions like PAT margin में major contributions क्या थे इस बार के, it was the fall in the commodity prices, and the ASP was also less due to reduce in the commodity prices as well, and the raw materials as well for the first 9 months. So the average selling price of PG Electroplast products was declining due to the commodity prices reduction in the commodity prices and the raw materials. And the company has also said regarding the compressor shortage in the near future that they are very much amply covered till June. Though there is there will be a shortage of compressors in the coming future, as also indicated in the Amber Enterprise con call as well. But PG Electroplast has said that they are very much covered till June, and they have also elevated the inventory levels due to this reason, due to shortage of compressors. And recently a few months back or last month, my company has done a JV with sign up with Sparrow Mobility, जहाँ पे वो मैन्युफैक्चर करने वाले EV बाइक्स एंड बैटरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का काम करने वाले हैं. And for this they will be doing a capex of around 40 to 50 crores, and company will only do assembling part, and company in this line they will do only assembling part, and the other major components वो import करने वाले हैं, and this will go into production from the first quarter of FY26. So yeah, so this was the analysis of PG Electroplast. If I summarize in short, so the top line of the company grew around 82% on YFY basis. EBITDA margins got expanded to 9.5% in this quarter. PAT was, if you see the PAT growth, PAT is almost double in this quarter, up to 440 crores. And if you look at the guidance as well, a company in this quarter guided for around PGL का alone standalone guidance is of 4,550 crores, and from JV the revenue will be growing at 550 crores. So total revenue guidance will be 5,100 crores, which will be a growth of around 86%. एंड उनका पैट का गाइडेंस इज ऑल्सो कंपनी ने दिया है. पैट इज़ ऑफ अराउंड पैट गाइडेंस पैट विल बी अराउंड 280 crores. सो करंटली अगर मैं देखूँ तो कंपनी का पैट इज़ एट 144 crores. सो कंपनी हैज़ टू डू अराउंड 134 to 136 crore मोर टू मीट इट्स गाइडेंस. एंड आई फील Q4 विल बी द वन जहाँ पे वो मीट कर सकते हैं. एंड नॉर्मली व्हेन इट कम्स टू द EC कंपनीज, Q4 विल बी द इज़ द बेस्ट one, whether it's PG Electroplast, Amba Enterprise, or even EPAC Durables as well. So yeah, so and also management, guess I have covered everything. Yeah, so I have covering. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep supporting me, and do, if you like my video, do subscribe in my YouTube channel as well. You can search my YouTube channel with the name Investing Invites by Double. So yeah, thank you so much. Have a great day.